What if I told you that one simple cup, just one, could help wake up your kidneys every morning, flush out toxins, and keep them strong and working like a machine? Sounds like magic, right? But it's real, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to make this powerful, natural drink at home. Hi everyone, welcome back to Health Consistency, where we dive into natural health tips, powerful home remedies, and everyday habits that help you live better, feel better, and age gracefully. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss a new health tip. Why kidney health matters. Most of us rarely think about our kidneys. But these two bean-shaped organs do a lot behind the scenes. They filter waste, regulate blood pressure, balance fluids, and even support healthy bones. But with poor diet, dehydration, and stress, your kidneys can become overloaded, and that's when the problems start. Fatigue, swelling, high blood pressure, and even serious illness can follow if we don't take care of them. But don't worry, this is where our special morning drink comes in. The natural kidney wake-up drink. Let's talk about today's drink. It's warming, healing, and super easy to make. You don't need expensive ingredients or fancy supplements, just a few things from your kitchen. Here's what you'll need. Salt ingredients. 1 cup of warm, not hot, water. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. A pinch of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of raw honey for taste. Here's what each of these does for your kidneys. Lemon juice. It's rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which helps dissolve kidney stones and flush out waste products. Turmeric. This golden spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys, which is great for those dealing with stress or chronic conditions. Black pepper. You only need a tiny bit. It boosts the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, making it much more effective. Honey, a natural antioxidant, and it helps soothe your system while adding flavor. How to prepare. To prepare it, just heat a cup of water until it's warm, not boiling. Add your turmeric, lemon juice, black pepper, and honey if you're using it. Stir well and sip it slowly first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. That's it. It's earthy, a little spicy, and surprisingly refreshing. And the benefits are worth it. Here's what you can expect if you drink this consistently, 4 to 5 times a week. White Heavy improved kidney function. White Heavy reduced water retention. White Heavy lower risk of kidney stones. White Heavy better digestion and detox. White Heavy reduced inflammation throughout your body. White Heavy can boost in morning energy without caffeine. Who should be careful? Now, before we move on, this drink is natural, but it's still powerful. If you're on medications, have kidney disease, gallbladder issues, or are pregnant, it's always best to talk to your doctor first. Everyone's body is different. Lifestyle tips to keep kidneys healthy. Want to go a step further? Here are 3 simple things you can do every day to support your kidneys. 1. Stay hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of clean water daily. 2. Cut down on processed salt. High sodium can put a strain on kidneys. 3. Eat more plant-based foods. Berries, leafy greens, cucumbers, apples, and garlic all help the kidneys do their job. I hope today's video helped you see just how easy it is to support your kidneys naturally. If you learned something new, give this video a big thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and comment below, "I'm starting my kidney cleanse." I'd love to hear your thoughts.